Hi guys and welcome along. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to play a belter from the 70s. This is called You Sexy Thing by the great Hot Chocolate. So if this is what you're up for, go grab your guitar and I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Let's show you how that's done. So the chords we're going to need are bar chords, F, we're going to need a B flat. Now you can do it in two places for this song. B flat done like that. Just show you. So we're going to bar the first fret of, the first fret, all 6 strings, and we're going to hold down with our third finger or our little finger on the 3rd fret, the D string, G string, B string and E string, so in a line. Although you want to lift off slightly, you've got two choices. You can lift off slightly so that the E string is muted, or you can strum and don't quite get to the E string, okay? Just stop before you get to it. So yes, we've got the F, we've got the B flat, then we're going to move up to a, so you've got B flat there, or you've got a B flat here, which is the same as what you was doing for the F, but up on the 6th fret. Then we're going to need a C, which is up on the 8th fret. We're also going to need a minor, which is the shape you was doing for the F, but take the middle finger away and we're going to be on the 5th fret. And a G minor, same story, but with the 3rd fret. Don't panic, I'll take you through the whole thing. So here we go. So let's do the riff. So first off, the bit that goes, that is 1st fret E string. Then we're going to be open A string, 1st fret A string, 3rd fret A string, then back to the 1st fret E string, and then back to the 1st fret A string. So we do that again. Okay, 1st fret E, open A, 1st fret A, 3rd fret A string, back to the 1st fret E string, and then 1st fret A string. Now, so you got the riff. So let's do the chords. So strum pattern is, let's turn the guitar down slightly. Strum pattern is down, down, up, down, down, down. Got it, so. So we've got F, with the majority of this song is F, B flat, F, B flat. So you've got your choices. You can go F here, well F here, but B flat either here, let me show you that, or you can scooch your major shape all the way up to the 6th fret. So you can go down, 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 or so that is the majority of the song. What we can do now is move into the bridge. So the bridge, I recommend we play the B flat up here on the 6th fret major shape, the E major shape. So we're going to go B flat to C, B flat to C, so that's 6 to the 8th, 6 to the 8th. Then we're going to do minors, A minor, which is on the 5th fret, to G minor, and then repeat. So we've got B flat, C, B flat, C, then we've got A minor, G minor, A minor, A minor, C, and then back to. So let me take you through that again. So we've got B flat, C, B, sorry, B flat, C, A minor, G minor, A minor, A minor, C, F, B flat, where you from? F to F, B flat, F, B flat, F, B flat. Here's the riff. So there we have it, Hot Chocolate and You Sexy Thing. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comment section below, along with any song suggestions you may have for songs you want me to rip to pieces and show you how to play in another video. If you've liked today's video, please can you click like and subscribe for me, as it helps me grow the channel and bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So until we meet again, take great care of yourselves, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.